short shot. One. Bhubaneswar. The Odisha government has suspended Kalahandi Deputy Collector Anisha Dash, NBSP, on the charges of dereliction of duty. A disciplinary proceeding against Dash NBSP was contemplated for negligence in discharging the duties, lack of absolute integrity, and dereliction in duty, said a notification issued by the Revenue and Disaster Management Department here on Sunday. 2. Bhubaneswar. The upscaling of the number of tests by the city authorities under the Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation (BMC) area would now help in better screening and thus in a faster movement towards isolation process, so that others in the society would be safe are now capable of 1,400 tests. 3. Bhubaneswar. Odisha has ranked number 3 among Indian states in the category of transparency in COVID management, according to a study by Stanford University researchers. The study was published on Medrakshi. The information was shared by the Biju Janata Dal on its official Twitter handle. 4. Rayagada. 12 people were positively identified at Rayagada police station today. As per the rules of the government, the police station will be closed for 48 hours. The staff of the Odisha police, those came in contact with the concerned person, will have contact tracing thoroughly. The entire campus will be sanitizing. The Rayagada SP has urged everyone to follow the government's guidelines. 5. Puri. ICU of DHH was completely evacuated and sealed after an incident of a patient undergoing treatment in the ICU had tested positive for COVID-19 last evening, and all the doctors, staffs, and patients there were sent to quarantine. 586 cases of COVID-19 have been detected, out of which 343 have recovered, 239 are active cases, and 2 have succumbed to the disease. 6. Bhubaneswar. As many as 864 more persons have recovered from COVID-19 in Odisha on Sunday, informed the Health and Family Welfare Department. COVID-19 highest with the recovery of 864, 432 Ganjam, 137 Rayagada, 31 Bargarh, 28 Khurdha, 26 Cuttack, 26 Kendujhar, 23 Bhadrak, 22 Mayurbhanj, 19 Jajpur, 15 Kandhamal, 14 Gajpati, 14 Sambalpur, 12 Jagatsinghpur, 10 Dhenkanal, 10 Sundargarh, 7 Nayagarh, 6 each Baleshwar Kendrapada and Malkangiri, 5 each Jharsuguda and Koraput, 4 Bolangir, 3 Puri, 2 Baudh, 1 Sonpur. With this, the total recovered cases of Odisha now stand at 16,792. 7. Supreme Court to hear Rajasthan Speaker's plea challenging HC order, also in SC, hearings on Maratha reservation, detention of J.M.K. Bar President Abdul Qayyum, sedition case against Vinod Dua, Madras HC verdict on OBC reservation in All India Quota medical seats, Prime Minister Modi to launch COVID-19 testing facilities in Noida, Mumbai and Kolkata, Delhi HC to take up petitions on Delhi riots. 8. The NBA basketball jersey given to Michael Jordan on the day in 1984 when he first signed with the Chicago Bulls will go up for auction in December, Julien's Auctions announced on Monday. 9. A 14-year-old Indian girl, one of the twin daughters of a Keralite couple, has died after falling from a high-rise building in Sharjah, UAE, police said on Monday. An official from the Sharjah police told that the police are investigating if the incident reported from Al Tawu area was a case of suicide. The girl, a grade 10 student, had suffered serious injuries from the fall and died. the official said. 10. New Delhi. After a rare and challenging 3-hour surgery, doctors at the AIIMS here successfully removed a 20 centimeters long kitchen knife from a man's liver, who had bizarrely swallowed it in a fit of psychosis. 11. Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology, KIIT, University has announced free technical and professional education for those students whose parents have been passed away due to the coronavirus. The initiative was announced by Member of Parliament and founder of KIIT, deemed to be University Achyut Samant on Sunday. 12. University Grants Commission, UGC, said to Bombay High Court on Friday that the state governments do not have the authority to cancel university exams. The commission said that all universities are obligated to conduct the final year/semester exams before September 30th. 13. Air India announced on July 26 that the fifth phase of the Vande Bharat mission, which is slated to begin from the 1st of August 2020, will see Indian carriers open up to many more international destinations. Notably, the Vande Bharat mission Phase 5 will commence on a day the country will also enter unlock Phase 3. After iPhone 7, iPhone XR, iPhone SE, and iPhone 6s, Apple begins manufacturing one of its latest offerings, the iPhone 11, locally in India. Communications, Electronics and Information Technology Minister of India, Ravi Shankar Prasad tweeted about it earlier on Friday.
Short shot.